Can you bring it over to Mommy, babies?
What?
Can you bring it over to Mommy's? Here, over there, that side. Ooh! Oops!
Ow.
Oops.
Ow.
Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. There we go. Oy. Is that a little heavy?
Yeah.
Oy. Now, babies, we want to bring this into the other room. Do you think you can get it there?
Yeah. Yeah. Ah! Ah! Can we help get up again? Oh. I need a. You come. Let me move it. Can I hear it? Come. Let's move it. Come. Let's move it. Come. Let's move it. Shoko's not really used to this, right?
That's true. Good
Shoko's
job,
not really
guys.
used to this. Yeah. Mommy.
Are the beds stripped in there, honey? You look at me, look at that.
Hey, good. It's really heavy.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
Mommy, here, take this.
Look what the kids have brought you. They're using teamwork.
So strong, kids.
There we go. We'll just leave it here.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Taylor Miriam. Eliezer Shlomo, thank you.
Kids, you guys are so... Was that hard?
Yeah. It was hard work, right, Daddy?
Yes.
Hard
Whoa,
work.
Shoko.
Where's my everyday shoes? Where's my everyday
That's good.
shoes?
You can leave it here.
Where's my everyday shoes? Where's my everyday shoes?